Today we have a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454. We're going to take a video of it, show you how clean it is. All the chrome and paint is in great shape. Wheels and tires are in good shape. We're going to take a look at it. Go back here and take a look inside the trunk here. All inside the trunk is in good shape. Trunk mat, spare tire, and the jack all looks good. Really nice, clean car. We're going to start it up, see how it sounds. Take a look at the interior here. It's all in really nice shape. Tilt wheel, vintage radio, 4-speed. It's got your tack, all your gauges. Back seat here. It's just a really, really nice, clean car. Let's take it. We're going to cut it off. We'll take a look underneath the hood here. This is a factory air car as well. Power steering, power disc brakes. Hard to find a 70 Chevelle factory air with the 454 with power steering and power disc brakes. Take one more look at it here, and then we are going to take it for a ride. If you would, please like and follow on our page. Helps us out a bunch, and you'll see more cool videos like this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. All right, now we're going to take her for a ride. We're going to take this 70 Chevelle on a test drive. this will conclude our test drive. Now we're going to show you what it looks like underneath. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a bunch. Thank you.